Yeah, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. It's a beautiful morning, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let me please share the link. Okay, now I wanted to do something. Let me tell someone to join us here on the live session. Okay, posted now. Posted. Right. Okay. So now, guys, we can start. Beautiful and amazing morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so happy and excited to be with us this morning. This morning is going to be a great one, a profitable one, a valuable one. And as usual, I'm going to be sharing some insights with us, and probably we're going to continue growing together, share my ideas with you, let you guys know what is possible, and then how we can actually grow in knowledge, which is the most important thing when it comes to Forex. Okay, growing in knowledge, because when you grow in knowledge, naturally you grow in money, you grow in wealth, you grow in rich. So to start, if you're just joining, make sure you smash the like button, make sure you let us know your location, and then I would like it if you can end it with forever growing in profit. Okay, let me start with Jonathan Peter. Good morning from Accra. Charlie, it is saying okay, immature so I just keep remembering all those ascendant. So my guy, if you feel me, make I know, say they feel me. And they speak true. And they speak true, just that you don't tell me I don't dey for Ghana. Kweli Kojo say hi from Lome. How you doing? How is Lome? Innocent Ombina from Abuja. Good morning. Forever going in profit. I like that. Hope you are come with some juice. Oh, I didn't come with juice. Neither do I come with water. I'm just in a hurry. Like, let's just get started. Like, when I need it, I'll go get it. Okay. Chukwu Emeka Nod, good morning. Where you joining us from, Chukwu Emeka? Shaulu Ismail, that's my guy from Lagos. Good morning. Ogami, how you doing now? So right Dada, good morning. Boss, right Dada from Edo State. My guy, what's up? How you doing? I greet you. Thank you for all you're doing. It's the one that usually send us news updates every day since about a month now or so. Dabson Lofting, hi brother from London, UK. How you doing? Oh man, I'm gonna change my accent to UK, that kind of thing. Let's not go deep into that today, Shukri Emeka say from about, okay. Shepherd Emmanuel from Owerri. Okay, so beautiful. At least I've been able to acknowledge a few of us that are here right now. While others are joining us, I want us to just dive into the charts and tell you what is possible. And then the first thing I'll be talking about in this morning is the fact that we are in this trade, but I didn't call it because it's a day trade. I don't want to be calling day trade to the premium signal channel. I want to stop doing that, and the reason why I want to stop doing that is because I'm not training you guys to be a I'm not training you guys. I'm not here to spoon feed you guys. I actually want you guys to be independent, a forex independent trader, where you don't need to rely on any signals before you can make profit for yourself. The signals I want to be dropping in the premium signal channel, aside the training and the updates, are the signals for maybe let me say swing trades. And I see a swing setup that is juicy, that is interesting. That is what I want to talk about. That's what I want to share in the premium signal channel, where we can just drop a trade idea and we can be there for like 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 months, and it is forever growing in profit. That's what I want to be dropping in the premium signal channel. But for day trading, trade today, make money, come in, come out of the market, I don't want to keep doing that because it messes with a lot of people's emotions, and at the same time there's a way it affects, and that's why I'm giving the option of this copy trading system. Okay, like this morning now, before I even stand up from the bed, I have caught this trade, this one that is selling right now. I caught it from here, and let me explain how I caught it. I scrolled down to 15-minute time frame because I knew that market was buying aggressively yesterday because of the news. There's going to be a correction. I knew that there's going to be a correction. So when I saw it get here, when it gets here yesterday, I was expecting maybe there's going to be a correction. I waited, nothing happened. It pushed up higher, in the middle of the night, it did all of this. So when it gets here, that is market structure that I'm explaining to you guys this morning. This is a market structure. Now, when this I was created, of course, we created another low, and that low was almost equal. Normally, it's not supposed to be equal to the normal low. We are not supposed to have equal low. We are supposed to have higher low. So this is a low, this is high. We are supposed to have higher low, which is something like this. But it failed to give us higher high, so hence it come out to put lower low. So once we have that lower low, it push up again to give high, but it end up being a lower high because this high is higher than this. So when I saw this, it looked like an M pattern. It doesn't really look like an M pattern, but it does look like an M pattern. If you want to know, you see it from this perspective, you can see it looked like an M pattern. Or let me do it like this so that you can see it. It looked like an M pattern, but not a perfect M pattern. Okay, not a perfect M pattern, but I knew for sure that this market is actually, you want to start doing that retracement now. So I'm coming. So I knew that this market want to actually start doing retracement. So what do? I look at okay, this is like M. So in as much as we break below this M pattern, this neckline, we are good to go. So in the process of that, I said, okay, because this thing doesn't really form a proper M pattern, it might not come to retest, and it might come to retest. But based on my own experience in the market, I entered the trade upon this candle. When I see this bearish candle, I entered the trade here. So I entered the trade, and then it came up. My stop loss was somewhere around here. It came up and do all of this, and then finally it break down. I knew it was going to break down, and if it didn't break down, look at it, this is also like a falling wedge, you can see. So I drew a trend line. That even if this market will pull up, it will just touch the trend line and then start coming down. And I know that this trend line, once it is properly broken, we might end up coming here unless if Euro USD want to start doing is selling back. But for now, I don't think he wants to start doing. I don't know if he wants to start doing a proper selling back. But all we are doing right now is to cash back all the correction, and the correction is supposed to get here. The correction is supposed to get, but I don't know if it's going to get there. But one thing I certainly know is that it's going to get to this minor level that broke yesterday. But this minor level, if you go back to 4 hours time frame, you will see that it has been holding. It has not been easy for market to, to break it easily like that. You can see. So when the market broke it here, it retested it. You can see since then we have been waiting the market to get there. It didn't get there. So it's a serious, like it's a strong minor level. It's a strong minor level. So I am of a certain sure that this market will at least get to this level, and when we get to this level, we'll just exit our trade. So if you are in the copy trading system this morning, if you check, you will see that we are doing some good profit, and we give glory to God Almighty for that. Okay, so moving further, moving further. Okay, let me acknowledge all the people that are here. If you have any question, put your question down. If you don't have any question, let's just move on. Okay, and then I'm seeing that we have a lot of people that have joined us but have not smashed the like button, and they have not actually put down their names and the location where they are joining us from. If you're just joining with due respect, with the love from our hearts to you, you're welcome. Kindly smash the like button, type out your location and your name. Let's know where you're joining us from, and let's keep learning and growing together. Okay, so moving on to other pairs, ladies and gentlemen. How do you join the copy trade? Okay, DM me, or I think I dropped the link here sometimes ago. Just that once you created the account, I need to confirm too. If you are just joining us for the first time, you create a normal XM account. After that, you create another investor account. Those two accounts, I have to confirm it for you. Once I confirm it, you will discover that you'll be able to have access to our private mentorship and signal channel. Okay, and then you'll be able to continue growing with us. Don't know if I should put the link here again, but okay. Okay, I think I've seen the link. I'll put it up again. Okay, I've seen some people join us already, and they are messaging us. Okay, so let me pin this. You can see the message I just dropped on the chat box right now. I've pinned it. That's the link to get started. Okay, so get enlightened. Good morning, coach. Ayo from Lagos. How you doing, Ayo? Udo Metro from Calabar. How you guys doing? Trust you guys are doing good. So that's that. Okay, so now let's move further. Oh, Samuel, what's up? Been a while. This your name. It's been a while. I've seen you. How you guys doing? How you doing, Samuel? How you doing? How is it on those states? Okay, so moving on. Now let's look at gold. I talked about gold yesterday. Okay, I just want to run over all these pair one after the other, and once I'm able to run over them, then the next thing is just that I want to analyze XPX 500, ladies and gentlemen. On our copy trading system, I actually started swinging this trade, and if you see that a trade was running profitably since yesterday, it was this XPX 500. It was inspired by that Willis anyway. It's my guy, so I say it anywhere. It's my boss. I learn a lot from him, and I give glory to God today. Moving on. Okay, now on gold, ladies and gentlemen, I talked about gold coming up to this level. You can see it's coming there now. coming up to this level, if I can go retest this level, I'll be looking for probably a clear opportunity that will make us swing gold to the downside. Okay, so right now, let me delete this. Let me delete this. Okay, so right now, ladies and gentlemen, gold is about to touch here. Once gold touches here, I'm expecting something like a fall, like a mango tree. And if you still want to push up higher, we'll see, but we'll keep our finger crossed. Now let's go to GBP/USD. I talked about GBP/USD yesterday. Said I'm not interested in GBP/USD until GBP/USD gets here, and you see it's making it just difficult. It's not getting here again. It didn't get here, neither does it get here. This is the middle of nowhere, and I'm not getting a very clear pattern that can make me to say there's an opportunity on Euro/USD, but on GBP/USD. But Euro/USD have been doing amazingly well since about a month or two for us now. It has been moving very, like, it's not as if we didn't take a loss, but you see that most of these thing I draw here, this is closing profit, this one too closing profit, closing profit, closing profit, closing profit. I didn't just draw this. We started, I just discussed about this right now. So this one too was a close, was a running profit. Yesterday too, we made some money here, but we didn't catch all these moves. So Euro/USD has been very, doing very well for us. Like it has been obedient PS for us. I will give glory to God for that. So BTC, when everybody is buying yesterday, BTC was busy selling. So BTC get to a major level and now is doing this. So I don't know if BTC wants to touch here, but I won't do anything unless I see what I want from BTC. So if it touches and I see a confirmation, I can call it out. But if it didn't touch, I won't. As a matter of fact, I'm still expecting BTC to push down to 31,000 before it start flying up to that 40, because I see BTC still flying around 47,000 per Bitcoin. So I still see it. If you look at it from the higher time frame, it's just a matter of having this knowledge. You will know that with the way this thing is going, BTC is still likely to fly higher. Okay, you can see pam, boom to the downside. Give us something like inverse head and shoulder pattern here. Break the neckline, come to retest the neckline, boom. If this market can break this major level, you can see if this market can break this major level that is being drawn here, ladies and gentlemen, trust me, Bitcoin is coming up here next. So how to draw this major level and all these minor levels, you learn that if you join us in the mentorship. All the tutorials are available. Okay, so now let's go back to our 4 hours time frame and let's go to GBP/JPY. GBP/JPY, there was something I was expecting GBP/JPY to do. It's still coming here, ladies and gentlemen. GBP/JPY is still coming to this major level. So I analyzed this over the weekend. This is a support level here, and this is a resistance level. It was able to break above that resistance. How do I discover this is a resistance level? Look at it here. Look at it. You can see this was where the market got to in the first time and started rallying down. So I knew that for sure if this market is able to break above, we'll get an entry, and the entry didn't come immediately. What was I expecting? I was expecting a break, retest, continuation. So right now I'm seeing that a breakout, maybe a retest want to happen right now. Upon this market getting here, I will look for a confirmation. If I see a confirmation, then we can just take it to the upside. Make trading very simple. These are just it. All these things that I'm teaching you, I'm talking about right now. If you join us in the mentorship channel, you have access to all these tutorials. And aside from that, You have all this knowledge at your disposal, and then you can learn it at your time, and you can always do this at your own time too, and then you can always know what to wait for in the market. And once the market bring up all this opportunity, it presents itself to you, all you need to do is what? Strike. Nothing more, just strike. Okay, so that's that on GBP JPY. AUD USD, I said it that I'm not going to do anything on AUD USD until AUD USD break below this level and come here. Once it get to this major level, I will know if it wants to reverse or it wants to break and continue to the downside. Until that happen, AUD USD, congratulations, continue doing what you are doing. I don't have any business with you at the moment. NAS 100, ladies and gentlemen, this pair tricked me, but I'm thanking God that I didn't lose money into it. Neither do I make money from it. But anyway, it's close to our major level. If you get here, then we'll know if you want to start selling back or you want to break above and continue. So for now, I will just look at, for now I don't think I need to even go to the higher time frame, but let me just look at it for the purpose of looking at it. Okay, so with this I can say that there's a strong momentum of buyers than sellers. You can see it took how many monthly candle? 1, 2, 3, 3 monthly candle to get here, and 1 month. In fact, the month has not even ended. We are still in the middle of the month, and guess what? It has covered like 3 months candle. So that's to let you know that buyers are more actively, in this pair than sellers. So anytime you see an opportunity to buy, you just buy. But this market has left us now. I don't want us to just enter and gamble. That is, for me, is gambling. Unless if I want to critically scale down to the lowest time frame and look for opportunity. But I don't want to do that. We are okay with the way Euro USD is treating us. It's treating us well. It's treating us good, and I want it to continue treating us excellently. Okay. So CHF JPY, I talked about this pair too, and it's about to hit the TP that I said is going to get to. I analyzed this pair and I said it's creating an historical price. Price has never, I don't know if based on the information that was given to me here, price has never gotten. Okay, let me go to 3 months. Okay, still the same thing with all the information that was given to me from trading view. Let me go back to monthly time frame. With all the information that was given to me, price has never gotten here before, so it's creating an historical price. So I analyze this pair. Then let me go to 4 hours time frame. The only mistake I did was that I didn't call this trade out, but I knew it was ready for that buy. I've waited for you to do this, it didn't. I waited for you to do this, but finally when I saw this, I know this market is going to start buying, and I entered it here, though not in my broker. I just placed this, that this market is coming here. This is the first level target. If you can break above this level, this is another level target based on Fibonacci retracement principles. Okay, and it's playing out nicely, but we didn't cut this trade. But at least I analyzed this trade. From the first time I analyzed it, I said this thing is still flying up. Okay, so that's on CHF JPY. US30, I think I won't be able to analyze US30. I've analyzed it before, but I don't think I want to keep talking about US30 now, and that's still because I have low battery on my PC right now. The weather in Nigeria right now in my home location is not sunny, and it is when it is sunny that my solar is going to charge very well. So I'm managing the solar to be able to do other things. Okay, so just managing the battery I have on my PC, because the weather is very cloudy. It rained in the middle of the night. It was raining. So for electricity, government electricity, take it out, we don't talk about it. It's something we are not shy to talk about in Nigeria, because the government failed themselves. Okay, so you just have to improvise for yourself. Okay, and that's why I'm using solar. But you know, God will always do what He wants. It's raining, and that rain is also a blessing. After the rain now comes the sun, and sun is also a blessing. When the sun comes out, my solar will charge, and I'll be able to do a lot of things. I'll charge my laptop, charge a lot of gadgets in the house, and we're good. So for now that I don't have enough battery, I just want to run through all the necessary things I need to run through and let you guys know what is going on, and then we call it a day. So now I'm supposed to analyze this pair today, SPX 500. I'm supposed to analyze this pair today, but I won't be able to analyze it based on the explanation I just made for you guys. But nevertheless, we have entered this trade. We entered this trade around here yesterday. Here. Entered this trade around here yesterday. Entered this trade around here yesterday. Upon this, because I've been monitoring the trade. I've been monitoring the trade when it was here, because this is like a double top. It's like a double top. Let me, that's how to just keep studying candle. If you keep studying candle, it's going to change a lot of game for you. So I've been monitoring that this pair is, you can see this market here, this market, this candle cannot close above here. It came back down. This one attempted it again. It couldn't close above it properly too. It wake up and close back down. So I was waiting for a candle that will close above this line. You know, I drew it, but I deleted it. So I waited for this 4-hour candle, 4-hour candle. Upon this 4-hour candle, I entered here. It is on our copy trading system. You see XPS 500 or US 500 oil. I don't know what XM call it anyway. But I enter with a very low risk because of you guys, and that's because it's a swing trade, and at the same time I just want to experience that. So I had a stop loss below here. I'm risking less than $2, and right now this pair has given us about $8 or $9 with all this. So imagine if I was risking like $20, it will have given us something there about maybe almost $200 now, maybe $150 or so. Okay, so but no, I have to risk low because it's not the account I'm trading on affect all accounts. So if it is my own personal account, I can take in as many risks as possible. I don't have to put you guys into consideration. Okay, but on this one I have to put you guys into consideration. So but nevertheless, we're good, and the way I'm targeting it to get to is very simple. It's here, the first level target, which is here, and it's almost there, ladies and gentlemen. Here this is where I'm targeting it to get to. So when it gets here, though my overall target is going to be here, but I don't know, I might close the position, or I might still leave it to get here. Who knows? But that's what I'm just targeting on SPX 500, and that's that about that, ladies and gentlemen. I've talked about all of these things. Let's go back to 4 hours time frame, and that's all we have for ourselves today. Any question, ladies and gentlemen? If you know you have questions, kindly let me know. We have, okay, our 4-hour candle is almost closing on Euro USD. So do you have any question? Do you have any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Let me know if you have any question. Although my mentor say, please don't forget our next trading lesson. Okay. Let's hope maybe this week or weekend we're going to fix a date for that. I think I'm having some, you guys are reminding me, you know, very well these days, which that's what I want. I want you guys to be demanding for it. If you demand for it, I know you're going to turn up when I'm actually ready to teach it. Okay. Lebile Samuel, okay, you're welcome. Tochuku say good morning from Enugu. My guy, how you doing now? Ben Clark say, please, it's not that clear. What is not that clear? Kenneth, good morning, sir, from Lagos. How you doing, Kenneth? Ben Clark say, good morning from Akwa Ibom. Obodo Ikim, good morning. We are rounding up, guys. What is not that clear, Ben Clark? What is not that clear? Let me understand. I hope. Okay, we have 1 minute for this candle to close. Even with this candle closing, I'm still going to leave our trade running, but I just hope that this candle can close below this line that I draw here. But nevertheless, with that bullish engulfing candle, I still want to leave that trade running. You can see market has actually respected here very well. It's a psychological level. It's a psychological level. So I hope it will close below it. And if it didn't, I'll still leave the trade running, because on a 4 hours time frame, a bearish engulfing candle, okay, we tend to see another bearish, like 2 or 3 more, or let me say 1 or 2 more before, you know, the market probably change trend. So that's that about that on Euro USD. Any question? Lady Winnie, I cite you. What are you doing? Wendy Obed, good morning, how you doing? Lady Winnie is greeting. I myself greet you, Jerry. Ben Clark, you are the one I'm waiting for. You say something is not clear. I want to clear it before I call it a day. What's not clear? Let me know what's not clear. Okay. While we wait for Ben Clark to tell us what is not clear, any other person that has any question, let me know. If not, we can be planning to call it a day from here. Can be planning to call it a day. Can be planning to call it a day. You guys are just coming up, and it's about time we close. Hey Jerry, how you doing? So guys, let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. Ben Clark is not responding. You can send me a message on my DM. Let's call it a day, guys.